Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make everything bagel seasoning. Cue the music. Alright, I appreciate you watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and check out that description box where not only will you find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make everything bagel seasoning. Let's drop down here and see what we've got for our ingredients. We have got 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of flax seed, 2 teaspoons of wheat germ, 1.5 tablespoons of onion flake, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic flakes, and 2 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt. Let's start mixing this up. All right, well, as always, with a bowl big enough for all your ingredients, we are going to start adding our ingredients to it. We've got our onion, our garlic, our poppy seeds, our Himalayan pink salt, and I want to talk a little bit about this. 2 teaspoons of chia, 2 teaspoons of flaxseed, and 2 teaspoons of wheat germ. If you are a fan of the show, you will see every time I do the shot with the mise en place before we start cooking, there's a little jar that's in the background there with the mise. That has got this mixture in it. It's usually full. I put this in my yogurt, I put it on my cold cereal, I put it in my oatmeal, sprinkle it into various things in the morning when I have breakfast. Always got this on hand, and this is going to make a fantastic topping alongside the other ingredients for the bagels, but it is listed separately in one bowl, but it makes 2 tablespoons of this right here. I would recommend go ahead and buying the bags and just making a blend like I do, having it on hand. It's a wonderful thing to have around. But we're going to add this in to our bowl here. We're going to just mix this all up. All right, we got some bagels toasting. We're going to do a beautiful photo shoot. We're going to come back and talk more about this. It smells fantastic already. Beautiful plate, fruit, cream cheese, everything on here, beautiful. We're going to go ahead and do my favorite part of the show, which is to give this a bite and taste and let you know what it's like. So here we go. The crunch of the bagel, and then you got that creamy cream cheese in there with the onion and the garlic, just totally different contrast. You got the smoothness of that wheat germ in there and the flaxseed, kind of bring all those seasonings together. It's not just little pieces of something everywhere. The wheat germ kind of brings it all together in a nice blend. But yeah, that is some good stuff. So you don't need to go out and get a bagel from another place that you got to spend a ton of money for. Make this up. It'll last. Go ahead and check out that description box down below. Got the recipe and a whole bunch of other stuff. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like and share this video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. This is really good. See you later. Bye-bye.